Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am at GANTS Hill Roundabout from Cranbrook Road and it's at Goodmays Test Centre. So the examiner will ask you to follow the sign of M25 or 5th exit. So when you're approaching to the roundabout, stay on the right lane and indicate right. This is the 5th exit on the right hand side and we have to go all the way off the roundabout, 5th exit, and follow the sign of M25 Romford. You can see on the left there is 1st exit at the Olive Street, and on the 2nd exit there's a A12 Central London. So guys, we are waiting for the green light. When it's green light, so we go. Make sure that your indicator is still on right and make sure that you're on the right lane of the roundabout. There's another traffic light here, so it's red, we have to stop. Here, this line becomes 2 and go to 812. Make sure you stick to the left lane and follow the left lane. Now you see on the left side is the 3rd exit and on the left is the 4th exit. After 4th exit you indicate left to the 5th exit. We exited 5th exit from the roundabout and we are on A12 and following M25. So guys, I hope that you like my video. Make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next video. Goodbye.